Today our topic is pH value of salts. Okay, first salts. How many types of salts? Generally, salts neutral salt. Then acidic, basic. Okay, fourth one you can see here. Neutral salt कब बनेगा? Neutral salt is whenever strong acid plus strong base is there. Strong acid plus strong base, like HCl plus NaOH is there. It is giving NaCl. This is the NaCl salt. It is formed by strong acid and strong base. Right? Next. Acidic salt. Acidic salt means strong acid plus weak base. Strong acid plus weak base. Example, HCl plus weak base is ammonium hydroxide. Then it is giving salt ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. Next, basic salt. So weak acid plus strong base. Weak acid generally acetic acid. CH3, COOH, acetic acid. Strong base is generally NaOH. Then the salt is sodium acetate, CH3COOH. Right? Next, one more chance is there, that is weak acid plus weak base. Weak acid plus weak base. Acetic acid plus ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide. The salt is ammonium acetate. Ammonium acetate. Okay. So this is the basic. It's fine. What about this fourth one? The fourth one is we cannot say is it acidic or basic. At the same time, we cannot say it is neutral also. Okay. So it depends on the Ka value. Okay. So either it may be acidic or basic. Acidic or basic. Okay. So now our topic is actually pH value. Now you tell me, in a 1 liter of water, I am adding NaCl. Then what will be the pH value at room temperature? Initially pH value of water is pH equal to 7. After adding NaCl, what will be the pH value of this solution, NaCl solution? NaCl solution का pH value, either it is more than 7 or less than 7 or remains 7. Remains 7 because this NaCl, you can see here, already written here neutral salt. That means it is neither donating H plus nor donating OH minus. Okay. If you want to write equation NaCl reaction with water, it is forming NaOH plus HCl, right? But it is not forming NaOH and HCl. What will happen? These are the strong acid and strong base. Immediately dissociated into Na plus, OH minus, H plus, Cl minus. Because these are the strong acid and strong base. Strong acid, strong base means that immediate 100% dissociation takes place. Okay? Separated. This OH minus and H plus is forming water in the NaCl solution. What are there? Say Na plus Cl minus. Okay? Resultant. Is there any H plus or OH minus ions are excess? No. That's why pH value of the solution. Which solution? NaCl solution pH value also 7. ठीक है, इसलिए हम ज्यादा डिस्कशन जरूरत नहीं, concept wise over. If the question is asking some amount of 20 grams of NaCl dissolved in the 100 gram of water and calculate the pH value, no need to do any calculation, see the direct 7. Right? Over. Next, here This acidic salt, basic salt, these salts pH value will be different. Why different? See here. Same 1 liter of water I am taking. Now I am taking ammonium chloride. Right? Ammonium chloride I am adding. What will happen? This ammonium chloride again splitting, reaction with water, forming ammonium hydroxide plus HCl will be formed. Right? We know that this is the strong acid. Strong acid means 100% dissociation. It is the weak base. Weak base means 50% dissociation. See here, I am taking 100 molecules. Okay? 100 molecule means how many molecules of ammonium hydroxide? 100 molecules of ammonium hydroxide, 100 molecules of HCl forming. This first step is clear to everyone? Right. Abhi, this HCl is strong acid, so 100% dissociation. It is producing 100 H plus ions. This point also clear? It is a weak base. Weak base means maximum 30 to 40% dissociate. Okay, suppose 30% dissociate ho gaye. Now in this case, how many OH minus ions it will donate? Only 30 OH minus ions it will be donated. Abhi resultant क्या है? 100 H plus 30 OH minus, so 30 will get cancelled. Remaining 70 H plus ions are extra. Right? So H plus ions are increasing in the given solution. Therefore, pH value will be less than 7. इतना तो clear है. Suppose option में 1 is given, 6 and 7, 8 and 10 is there. Direct answer. No need to do calculation. If more than one values are there, less than 7, you have to do calculation. Right? No. But first clarity आ गया. Acidic salt. Acidic salt. Why we are calling this acidic acid, acidic salt? Because it is donating H plus ions. It is creating H plus ions in the solution. Producing, creating, donating, whatever. ठीक है? H plus है. Basic salt, same position here. It is forming acetic acid and NaOH. NaOH is 100% dissociate. So finally, in the solution, OH minus ions are increasing. So basic in nature. The resultant solution is basic in nature. That's why this salt is known as basic salt. Basic salt. Okay. Next, it is forming acetic acid. This ammonium acid is there. तो डिसोसिएशन हो गया तो फिर वापस यही बनेगा. वीक एसिड एंड वीक बेस. अभी डिसोसिएशन, आयनाइजेशन कांस्टेंट देखना पड़ेगा. You have to see the ionization constant. ये दोनों में which is more ionizing, उसका नेचर बोल. Suppose here acetic acid ionization constant इसका more है suppose than acetic. But ammonium hydroxide is more than ammonium hydroxide. ठीक? Right. Now we will discuss acidic and basic salts next. So you write in that one. Simple concept. Strong acid, strong base. So neutral salt. So pH equals 7. Strong acid. In the name of strong acid means acid character dominating. So pH value less than 7. Strong base, base character dominating, pH more than 7. Here no need to write. Next heading, hydrolysis of salt. What is hydrolysis meaning? Hydrolysis means the water molecule consumption. Simply. Now water molecule cleavage into H plus into OH minus. Right? Now the first point. Strong acid, weak, strong base, salt. Strong acid, strong base, salt, like NaCl. Is it hydrolysis or not? NaCl can hydrolysis? Hydrolysis means what? Is it cleavage the water molecule? Is it cleavage the water molecule? No. क्योंकि generally we will think that yes, अभी तक just now I explained you, it will make form that NaOH plus HCl, but immediately cleavaging and OH and H plus forming H2O, Cl minus Na plus. There is no water molecule cleavage here. There is no hydrolysis. It is our assumption. Forming immediately again cleavage and forming water only. पहले भी water था, बाद में भी water है. Okay, so now you write strong acid, strong base, salt cannot hydrolysis. Cannot hydrolyze. You can say hydrolyze. Cannot hydrolyze. Cannot hydrolyze. That's enough. One point. Next, strong acid, weak base. Strong acid, weak base. That is ammonium chloride. Now, strong acid, weak base will be hydrolyzed. Will be hydrolyzed. I am writing the word H2O. Then ammonium hydroxide plus HCl. Ammonium hydroxide plus HCl. Some of the water molecule will be consumed. Then same equation I am writing here. NH4 plus is distressed to water molecule forming ammonium hydroxide plus H plus. Right? If I apply the equilibrium constant Kc, then NH4OH into H plus upon NH4 then H2. This is actually equilibrium constant applied. Then you may get doubt, sir, H2O. H2O generally in case of ionic equilibrium, we don't take this pure liquid. But here some of the water molecule is consuming. It is not 100%, but some of the concentration is consuming. That's why H2O also we will take. H2O also we will take. Why we are taking means some H2O molecules are consumed here. Some H2O molecules are consumed here. That's why next step this Kc into H2O. Next step this Kc into H2O concentration that equal ammonium hydroxide H plus by this Kc into H2O is known as hydrolysis constant. Name different. We don't calculate here H2O concentration. Just we will take like hydrolysis constant. एक symbol change होता है बस. Right? Hydrolysis constant same. KH equal to same. KH equal to this one hydrolysis constant. Now next step. KH met, I can write it here. OH minus A, multiplying and dividing. I am dividing here with OH minus, multiplying and dividing. Right? NH4OH H plus already in there. I am taking an extra OH minus. Next down NH4 plus into OH minus. Right? Now this KH equal. Next I can write it H plus into OH minus. NH4OH is there. I am taking down. NH4 plus OH minus upon NH4 plus. This step everyone you understood? This was a problem. Mathematically I can write it like this. Because A by B by C by D equal A by B into D by C. मतलब ये multiplication होता है. I can write like this. Everyone, you know this? Right. Ammonium hydroxide, see this one, the total value 4 plus OH minus. Okay. This ammonium hydroxide, somewhere I did a mistake. NH4OH. Okay. This NH4OH is there. This side I am taking down. Is it clear? Right. So this ammonium hydroxide weak base is there. It is dissociating into NH4 plus OH minus. In this case, I can write it is a base dissociating. Kb equal I can write. Of course, you can take the water molecule here, no problem. Kb equal what can I write here? NH4 plus. NH4 plus into OH minus upon NH4OH. Kb equal base dissociation constant. Right. See, H plus into OH minus, so I can write Kw. Kw equal to H plus into OH minus, that equal 10 power minus 14. Right. Kw upon this NH4 plus OH minus upon NH4OH. That means I can write it as a Kb. Kb. So final conclusion तो ये हो गया KH equal to Kw by Kb. Okay. Then immediately I am writing here similarly for ये क्या लिया था मैं weak base strong acid salt, this one, right? Weak base strong acid salt. So similarly for strong base weak acid salt, the KH equal Kw by Ka. See, Kb Ka कभी भी for weak acid and weak base के लिए रखते हैं, ठीक है? Weak acid is there, means Ka will be there. Here there is no Ka. Strong base, strong acid के लिए no Ka. ठीक है? So you write this much, then we continue. Next, relation between KH and H. Here, KH is hydrolysis constant. Then H is degree of hydrolysis. Right. Now the relation. Yes. Suppose I am taking cationic hydrolysis. NH4 plus जैसा कोई common example I am taking. A plus water is gives as AOH plus H plus. Initial concentration C. This one also it's also 0 and 0. Here C into 1 minus H. Here this one is CH. Then I am applying KH equal AOH into H plus concentration upon A plus. So I can take only K. I'm taking here water molecule. Right. So this water molecule into K becomes KH next step. Then KH equal. What is AOH? CH. Next step CH upon C into 1 minus H. CC get cancelled. Then CH square by 1 minus alpha. Sorry. 1 minus H. Same. Us time में we took that alpha. Here H. Then KH equal CH square by 1 minus H. This is one formula. When H is smaller value, then we can take it as KH equal CH H square. Since H is very smaller than 1, then H equal under root of, what can I write, KH by C. In case of weak acid, what will written? K under root of Ka by C. Now KH by C. Okay, note down this much. See, our main target क्या था? H plus concentration चाहिए, उसके बाद pH is the ultimate, right? Now I can write it here in this case. H plus concentration equal to CH. That means C into H means under root of KH by C. That means C, if it comes under C square होगा, C get cancel. That means under root of KHC. This much clear? So one of the formula हो गया अभी. H plus concentration equal under root of KH into C. But already we proved that KH equal to, for this KH equal to what is that? KW by KB. KW by KB. KW by KB into C as it is. Right? This is also one of the formula. Now, if I apply the logarithm, right? Negative logarithm minus log H plus, that equal, I am taking this one. You can take this one also. It is one more formula will come, but this formula I want to take. This one minus log KW by KB into C. Right? Now this is nothing but the pH. Now next step. Log A into B equal to log A plus log B. Log A minus log minus to keep it outside. Log KW by KB plus log C. This step is clear. This is equal to pH हो गया. Then minus as this log A into B equal to log A plus log B. KW by KB plus log C. Next step. Log A by B equal to log A minus log B. Now this pH equal minus log minus keep it outside. Log A by B equal to log A minus log B, right? Then minus log C. But we forgot that root, no? Where is that root? Here. Right? Root means it will come minus half. 1 by 2. Here it will be minus 1 by 2. Yes? Minus 1 by 2. Next step. Minus half. Log KW. Log KW equal to 10 power minus 14. That means it will come 14. You can write it. Minus log KW के जगह पे 10 power minus 14 minus log minus into minus plus minus into minus plus then half log KB, then this half is plus log half log C. ये स्टेप समझ गए हम? Right? It is not final step. See, log 10 power minus 14, that means plus 14. 14 by 2, that means 7. Then that equals 7 plus half. Okay, here minus log KB equal PKB. Then as it is. See, simply 7 से कम होगा. This total value is something in there, X value. 7 से कम होगा. This is acidic salt. This is acidic salt pH value. Now I can write similarly basic salt. Have you written this? Started. Basic salt. Basic salt is the general strong base plus weak acid. That means CH3COONA. So for this, the pH value will be in general 7 say above. That means 7 plus remaining formula pKb there. Here pKa will be pKa plus log C. This is the basic salt pH value.